2.3, distributing and simplifying like terms with solving equations and fractions. X over 4 minus 2 equals 1 over 8. When you have fractions, you can multiply everything by the common denominator. The common denominator is 8 because 4 goes into 8, 8 goes into 8. Okay, we're not getting a common denominator. We're going to multiply everything by 8. So you can see in bold, the bold 8s there are what I'm multiplying in everything. So 8 I'm going to turn into 8 over 1 in both of those, except the middle. I'm not doing it in the middle because 2 is not a fraction. So multiply straight across. 8 over 1 times x over 4 is 8x over 4. In the middle, minus 2 times 8 is minus 16 equals, on the right, 8 over 1 times 1 over 8 is 8 over 8. We could also have cross-multiplied. Okay, multiply straight across. Now I'm going to reduce. 8x over 4 equals 2x, because 8 divided by 4 is 2. On the far right of the equals, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So now we're solving 2x minus 16 equals 1. Add 16 on both sides to cancel. 1 plus 16 is 17. Divide by 2 on both sides. 17 doesn't divide by 2 nicely, so leave that as the answer. Solve. 3 parentheses x minus 2 close parentheses equals 18. Distribute 3 on the left side. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times minus 2 minus 6. Okay, so we want to get x by itself. Add 6 on both sides. 18 plus 6 equals 24. On the left, the 6's cancel. Minus 6 plus 6. 3x means multiply, so divide by 3 on both sides. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. On the left side, the 3's cancel. Solve. 20 equals 44 minus 8 parentheses 2 minus x. On that right side, we have to distribute the negative 8. We do not do 44 minus 8. Why do we have to multiply that? Because multiplication comes before subtraction in the order of operations. So we're going to distribute negative 8 times 2 minus 16. Negative 8 times negative 8, negative 8 times negative x is plus 8x. Now, you see in bold I have 44 minus 16. That's because they're like terms. 44 minus 16 equals 28. Now we can solve for x. X is on the right. On that right side, remember, don't add 28 plus 8x. They're not like terms. So we're going to subtract 28 on both sides. 20 minus 28 is negative 8. Divide by 8 on both sides. Negative 8 divided by 8 equals negative 1. Solve. 3 parentheses 3x minus 1 equals 4 parentheses 3 plus 3x close parentheses plus 3. Distribute the 3 on the left. 3 times 3x, 9x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. On the right, distribute the 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 3x, 12x. Bring down the plus 3. Don't multiply it because it's not in the parentheses. Okay. On the right side, you see the 12 and 3 are bold. They're like terms. Add them. 12 plus 3 is 15. Do not add 15 plus 12x. They're not like terms. Okay. Now we have x on the left, x on the right. Get rid of the smaller one. 9 is smaller, so subtract 9x on both sides. Bring down the minus 3 on the left. On the right, 12x minus 9x equals 3x. Okay, remember to put it under your like terms, 12x minus 9x. On the right side, 15 plus 3x. Subtract 15 on both sides to get x by itself. Minus 3 minus 15 is negative 18. Divide by 3 on both sides to get x. Negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. That's the end.